Hello everyone, today I'd like to tell you about my Tefal air fryer. I'll give you an overview of how it works, and in my next videos I'll be doing an interesting experiment. I'll tell you more about that a little later. So this is our Tefal air fryer. It has a removable cooking basket with a convenient handle. Inside you'll find a metal grill rack that can be removed very easily. Underneath is the cooking basket itself. The front panel with the handle can also be removed very easily. There's a small latch here. Just pull it and the handle comes off. This is what it looks like when it's detached. You're left with the basket, which you can use to store cooked food. It also comes with a matching lid. Simply place the lid on top and you can store your food in the refrigerator. The basket, the lid, and the metal grill rack are all dishwasher safe. However, the removable handle should not be washed in the dishwasher. Now let's put everything back together. It's very easy. The metal piece indicates the top, and you can also tell which side is up by the way you hold the handle. Simply align the small indentation above the handle with the raised guide on the basket, then press until you hear a click. That's it. Next, place the grill rack back inside the basket and insert it into the air fryer. The appliance is now ready to use. Now plug it into the power outlet. Once it's plugged in, you'll see that the control panel is very simple. There's the standard power button and the control panel with all the cooking functions. Press the power button and the display lights up. You'll see the timer and the available cooking programs. First, press the program button. Different cooking programs will light up, such as French fries, steak, and many others. To switch between the programs, don't press the food icons themselves. Instead, press the program button and the programs will change one by one. The cooking temperature also changes automatically depending on the selected program. However, you can adjust the temperature manually if you'd like. For example, let's select the steak program. Now press the time button once. The cooking time appears, and you can use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the cooking time. If you press the time button a second time, the temperature setting will appear. Again, you can adjust it using the plus and minus buttons. When you're ready to start cooking, simply press the start button. You can also pause or stop the cooking process by pressing the start/stop button. That's really all there is to it. Let's go through it one more time. First, turn the appliance off. Turn it back on by pressing the power button once. Then press the program button and choose a cooking program. Let's select shrimp. The default settings are 170 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. We'll change them to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Press the time button once to adjust the cooking time. Press it a second time to adjust the temperature, then simply press Start to begin cooking. I'd also like to mention a couple of important points. For the very first use, it's recommended to run the air fryer empty without any food inside. This helps eliminate any manufacturing residue or new appliance smell before cooking. So after buying it, unpack it, wash the removable parts, run one cooking cycle without food, then wash the basket again. After that, it's ready for cooking. Another important thing is ventilation. The air fryer has air vents on all sides, so it should be placed with enough space around it. Don't push it right up against a wall and don't cover the top while it's operating. In my upcoming videos, I'll be showing you how to cook different dishes in this air fryer. There is special cookware designed for air fryers, but many foods can also be cooked without it. The cooking time and the final results can be different depending on whether you use the special cookware or not. That's why I'll be making honest comparison videos where I cook the same dishes both with and without the special air fryer cookware so you can see the results for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.